you think you acted with Amitabh Bachchan and you acted with Sanjeev Kumar and then you act with Rajesh Khanna. But by the time Red Rose came, I think his heyday was ending, na? It was towards the end of his heydays.
See, I didn't see his heydays because I never used to watch films. I had not really seen too many films. But as a kid, once in school in the 8th class, we had gone to see shooting because Chandigarh में shooting हो रही थी, B.R. Chopra जी की film की shooting. And Rajesh Khanna was there, and I think Vidya Sinha was probably his heroine.
Okay.
But I remember seeing Kakaji. So that was my only exposure to Rajesh Khanna, and we knew. And many years later, when I was to work with him, and in between I worked with Jitendra ji also. So so suddenly from being this 15, by then 16 probably, I think after that Nuri got started. And
Nuri was Farooq Sheikh, right?
Farooq Sheikh, yes.
Yeah. Completely different from Amitabh Bachchan and Sanjeev Kumar and Jitendra you did with Farooq Sheikh.
Totally different kind of thing. So I got a all-rounded exposure to different type of actors and amazing actors. Farooq was also such a good actor.
Yeah, he was brilliant.
Yeah, he was a stage actor, plus he was everything. And
comic timing.
And more than that, he was a very, I would say, sorted person. He would guide you well, he would talk very, limited, and very, very intelligent, well-read man. So he was another man with books in his hand when he was shooting, and that was me also, not because I was brilliant, because that was my escape, and I still love reading. Anyway, I was like, sometimes people would say कि आपने कभी life में कुछ pick up kiya hai. Somebody asked me that. I said the only times I have done some shoplifting or stealing is stealing a book from the library or from a bookshop, because you want those books so badly, you love reading. I said, so we were such kids at that time. I'm talking about when we were 12, 13, 14, not later. So for me, reading was a passion at that age until many years later. Even now I try and get back to it. But आजकल तो इतनी distraction है. आजकल TV है, channels हैं, Instagram है, और अलग अलग चीज़ें हो रही हैं. So that habit is.
When you acted with Rajesh Khanna, you acted in so many, I think 6 or 7 films you've acted with him. Was he different from other actors in the sense that did he interact with his heroines?
By the time I had done my second, third film, people were warning me that he's very temperamental. He can get very, difficult to work with. But honestly, I didn't face even one day of any temperamental, starry behavior from him. He used to be very. In fact, my first film, Red Rose, was a very difficult role for a inexperienced actor, and like having a psycho type of serial killer, schizophrenic kind of a person. But he would help me, he would guide me, he would say, ऐसा करो, breathing ऐसा करो, अच्छा तुम ऐसा, मैं धक्का मारूंगा तुम्हें, तुम फ्रेम में ऐसे गिरना, फिर ऐसे देखना. He would give me a little bit of guidance how to do scenes. Because my director in that film was a guy who didn't speak Hindi or English, which was Bharti Raja, who's an amazing director who later became a good friend also. I did Savere Wali Gaadi with him later. But for me, that was very kind of scary. A director is saying something, looking at me, and then talking to his assistant in Tamil and saying something which doesn't look as if he's approving either of my look or of anything. So what did he say? What did he say? So Kakaji used to help me a lot during that time. So after that, of course, I did many other films with him. But we've always had a very, I wouldn't say he was a buddy or a friend, because he was so much senior to me. But he was always, I think because he saw me from like a young age, he always treated me like a kid and protective and guide and things like that.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.